There's been so much talk over the past few months about what's closed and what we can't do anymore. Well, we thought it was time to change that and instead talk about some things that we can do.
We have started to offer our workshops here again at Serendipity. We have spread out the tables to be 6 feet apart. We use 100% pure soy wax, which is plant-based. We've got about 40 scents in our regular lineup and 10 seasonal scents that we offer. It's really something that everybody and anybody could do and enjoy.
Am I a master candle maker? This is the first time that I've used a glue gun since middle school. This is what I did with my first one. The wick just totally came out. So much fun here making your own soy candles.